Our boxing jab is a speed strike designed to not only let your opponent know that you're in a fight, but also to gauge your distance so you know if you're ready to deliver that power punch. So how we're going to do this is we're going to assume our boxing stance, which is going to be just a little bit about shoulder width apart. You're going to have your lead hand or your non-dominant hand right alongside your temple with your dominant hand right at your cheek. Your elbows are going to be nice and tight in. You're going to keep your hips tucked underneath you and your shoulders rounded and a little bit shrugged to be able to protect your ears from incoming strikes. Now the jab, you're going to pivot on that front foot, extending that arm straight out in front and bring it right back to your starting position. So again, jab, pivot on that front foot, right back. So your eyes are always forward on your opponent. This is a speed jab, so as you get the mechanics, you want to increase the speed as you get more comfortable. So you can also use the bag. That's your jab.